This is a sponsored video that contains products provided without charge by the manufacturer for demonstration purposes. All opinions are my own. I just got this brand new plow from Cub Cadet to demonstrate how the Ultima zero-turn tractor is a year-round workhorse for your yard. So far I've mowed with it, mulched with it, bagged grass in the summer, and leaves in the fall. Even got a little psychedelic with it. It took about an hour to assemble the plow by myself, which isn't recommended.
Tip: may be necessary to have two people to perform this step. I did it myself.
It's a really sturdy piece of equipment made from heavy steel.
And then this cable had to be installed inside there. And that was really tough to get my big fat fingers under here and guide that cable in there, but I did it. Alright, so basic operation is really pretty simple. There's two latches that control it. The one in the back by the handle is the one that you use to turn it. And the other one is what holds it up. So I can definitely raise and lower. Short of pull. I'm telling you, pulling is murder. I took about a quarter turn off of this nut, and now I'm just going to put some more oil under the front here. Much easier. I could do this all day. Oh, what a nice squeak. All right, let's go outside and give it a try.
I really tried to get Mother Nature to send snow before publishing this video. We got a dusting that didn't stick, but we got a lot of leaves. I live in New Jersey and we'll definitely get snow later in the winter, but that doesn't help me now. But as they say, when you have lemons, you make lemonade. So let's use our imaginations. Just take note of that smile on my face. We have curbside leaf collection at my town, and I usually rake them onto a tarp and bring them out to the curb, but you know, I figured this was a very realistic simulation of snow. At least it got me to see how the thing works and how I can handle it with the machine, and it really went well. I do have a little bit of a dip at the end of the driveway there where it meets the sidewalk, and had to be really careful because I did notice that the thing would scratch the sidewalk when it went down. But from the driveway itself, nice and flat, it worked fine. No problems at all. I could definitely see this being useful for spreading dirt or leveling my lawn or something like that too. Now, of course, that control arm is a bit awkward. Not really pretty the way it sticks out like that, but I'm sure it is probably the safest design because it allows you to use it while you're seated. And you could see I was able to update the direction of the blade while it was raised. It worked fine after all that oiling. The hardest thing to get used to is the fact that it extends the size of the machine so much further in front. And so it did take some time to get used to that. And of course, there's some danger in that. Luckily, I didn't hit any cars or the garage door or anything like that. And of course, my driveway is surrounded by these railroad ties. And so that was, you know, a little challenging to get used to as well. Of course, my driveway is probably a little small for the size of this machine. It'd be great for either a larger driveway or even a small parking lot or a gas station, something like that. So this little exercise was really pretty cool, and I am excited to see how this works in the snow when the snow actually comes. Of course, I know leaves aren't as heavy as snow, and I'll definitely need chains on the tires to grip slippery pavement. If you've got a Cub Cadet Ultima or ZTR, check the link in the video description for more information about this plow. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.
Welcome home.
Be sure to subscribe and watch our new series, The Living Flip. Ooh. And that has 1.25 inches.
It's the little one. That's all I mean.